Scrape away as much of the stain as possible with a paint scraper, knife, or spoon. Then, blot the area with a dry paper towel or shop cloth. Sprinkle a little baking soda on the stain and let it sit there for 10 to 15 minutes. Clean it up with a shop vac. If there's still any remaining oil or grease, use a dry cleaning solvent or a gentle degreaser, such as liquid dish soap, to blot. For stubborn stains, try steaming the area with a steam cleaner to soften up the oil or grease, then go over it again with a degreaser. If your upholstery is leather or plastic, wipe away excess oil or grease with a cloth or carefully scrape it off of the surface. Then wipe the area with a soft rag or sponge dipped in a solution of dish detergent and water. For extra stubborn stains on leather, mix up a paste of 3/8 of a cup of water, 15 grams of baking soda, 1 gram of flour, and 1/8 cup of sea salt. Gently scrub the stain with the paste, then wipe the area clean.